Okay, good morning. This is Professor DBJ De Los Reyes. What I will be showing you this morning, it's March 16, 2025. I got an alarm clock here in which I would like to replace the uh, hour, minute, and time buttons. This is the original button. And it doesn't work very good. So what I will be doing is that I will try to remove all these ones by using my heat gun. This is my heat gun. Okay. And I will replace it with the push button that I will resolder it on the original location. Actually, I have replaced already one of these, this one here. That's soldered already. And the original button was actually this one. Okay, that's the original button. It was replaced by this new button, tuck button. It's more durable and accurate than these ones. Okay, so what I will be doing is that I will try to remove these 5 things here, and those are my replacement. Then I will try to resolder it all, of course with the help of my soldering gun, electronic soldering gun. Okay, and heat gun. To remove these metal buttons originally, I will just hit up this one and this will be blown up. Each of these. I don't have to use my soldering gun here. To remove this kind of thing here, we use the heat gun, this one. See? I will use the heat gun. Okay? So what will I do, guys, is that I will continue with my work, and as soon as all the push buttons are what you call this installed, of course via soldering, I will try to reassemble this one, and as soon as it is assembled fully, because this alarm clock here got actually a radio, meaning to say when you set the alarm, you could set it to give a sound, or you could set it and the sounding alarm will be the radio. Okay, so it got 2 options on the sounding alarm if you try to set this alarm here. Okay, so for now I will be continuing this one, and like what I said, as soon as okay, as soon as it finishes, I will try to make another video of it. Okay, I will continue to do this one, and as soon as I finish it, I will try to shoot the video. Good morning from Los Angeles.